Welcome to the 4A.2 interrogative words with question formation. By way of review, you learned last year how to make yes-no questions. There are 4 ways to do this. With rising voice, tu as un livre. With inversion, as-tu un livre? With a tag, tu as un livre, n'est-ce pas? And also with est-ce que tu as un livre? These next 2 slides will include all of the question words that you need to know in this unit. You use them with either esca or inversion, never both. À quelle heure means at what time. Combien de means how many or how much. Como means how, or if you don't understand someone, you can say it to mean huh. Où means where. Pourquoi means why. Quand means when. Que at the end of esca, making it qu'est-ce, means what. Quel means which, or if it's used in quelle heure est-il, it means what time. À qui, avec qui, and pour qui mean to whom, with whom, or for whom. And quoi means what, but it cannot be used when you don't understand something. Even though the responses to quand and à quelle heure both indicate something to do with time in general, they are very specific in use. Quand is used to talk about a day or a date, and à quelle heure is to talk about a particular time of the day. If you were asking when classes start, you would say quand because the answer is a date. If the answer was something about a time, it starts at 10:30, then you would be asking à quelle heure. There are some question words like como, où, and also quoi that can go at the end of the question. This is the third way to make these questions. It's informal, but it's actually very common for people who know each other pretty well. Quoi can go at the beginning or at the end of a question. If it requires a preposition, quoi is used at the beginning with a, for example, and the preposition goes right in front of it. If no preposition is needed, quoi must come at the end. Here are 2 samples. À quoi penses-tu? Here's your preposition and inverted verb. De quoi parle-t-elle? Here's the preposition and your quoi, your subject and your verb, and then the T for pronunciation. Quoi simply comes at the end after a simple subject-verb combination if no preposition is needed. If a question is made with pourquoi, you must use parce que in the answer. Pourquoi habites-tu en banlieue? Why do you live in the suburbs? Parce que je n'aime pas le centre-ville. Because I don't like downtown. Qui has a couple of interesting things that go with it. It usually takes a third-person singular verb, meaning il, elle, on, singular. Qui parle à Marine? Qui va à la banque? Qui is also one of the question words in this note set that can be used with or without esca or inversion. Quel is used like an adjective. It agrees in gender and number with the noun that comes after it. The masculine singular version is quel. The feminine singular version is quelle. The masculine plural version is quel, and the feminine version is also quel. As you can see, the answer is always quel, so it's important to spell it correctly. Quel is usually followed by a noun, however, it can also be used with a form of être right after it. Quels sont tes problèmes? What are your problems? Problème is masculine and plural, so the quel reflects that. And I've just discovered that this quel is misspelled. Dot is feminine and singular, so this should be Q-U-E-L-L-E. Tu es de quelle origine? Origine is feminine and singular, so it's quel this way. Quel jour sommes-nous? Jour is masculine and singular, so quel looks like this. This is the last slide in the set. It's a practice activity that we did out loud in class together. If you were not there that day, or if you just like to try it on your own, go ahead and write down the answers somewhere on a piece of scratch paper or in your spiral, and I'd be happy to take a look at them. This is the end of the note set.